woman isn't the only one wearing a mask when going out these days. We all are.
Yeah, and now that only half of your face is front and center, Deco's checking out of places, making sure all eyes will be on yours.
You know what they say, the eyes are the window to the soul. And now that we're all wearing masks, that couldn't be more true. Lashes has a brand new home in Miami, and they're ready to help you make sure that all eyes are on your eyes.
We really do need to focus on our eyes, being that our masks are covering our face the whole time.
Eyelash extensions are one way to really make your peepers pop. Technicians work with the clients to figure out what kind of look they want, whether it's something chic.
I know Janine really likes our 100% natural eyelashes. Gives you a more natural look because it's real hair.
Or a little more va-va-voom.
Stephanie prefers a thicker, fuller look and cat eye. So what we used with Stephanie was a mixture between silk lashes and volume lashes.
Lashes is taking safety concerns seriously and leaving certain workspaces empty for social distancing. But they also have a private room for a total one-on-one experience.
I feel like a new woman being able to come out and get my lashes done. It's been a long, over 70 days of quarantine, so it feels good to get back to some sense of normalcy.
Lash extensions aren't the only way to make your eyes stand out. You can also have fun with makeup.
You can play with your colors for eyeshadow. You can match your mask, you can match what you're wearing. We're not seeing people's smiles anymore. We're not seeing expressions. Now is as good a time as any for people to really go out and do something that's focusing on their eye area.
Eyelashes, check. Makeup on point, mask in place. Now you know you're going to be the apple of everyone's eyes.
I've been getting my eyelashes done for 10 years. Even my kids noticed when I didn't have them done, so I'm happy that I look like a princess again.
And Lashes, we love your masks too.
Yeah, I
cute,
love them. Very stylish.
Yeah.
It's true though. You want to, emote and express through your eyes. I mean, we're big fans of the eyelash extensions. I am.
I love them. Sometimes feel naked without them. And the eyelash extensions.